Hello everyone! Today we are continuing our videos about sharpening life hacks, and let's talk about abrasive hygiene. The main idea is to keep your stones clean and allow them to work without leaving any unwanted scratches or marks on your blade, especially when you want to get a mirror finish with them. Now let's check what should we do and how we should use them and store them. Working surfaces of the abrasive stones should not be in contact with each other. Otherwise, the abrasive fragments of the stone that is coarser will infect another stone, and instead of making the surface smoother, it will leave extra marks on the metal. The knife will still be sharp, but the cutting edge might have micro dents, and the bevel will have small scratches, which means a goodbye mirror finish. If the stone is infected, it could be fixed with leveling on the glass with application of silicon carbide powder. Stones must be stored separated from each other. You can store them inside the standard package or in a special container that will guarantee that even during the transportation, their surfaces will not be in contact. Don't forget to protect the blade of your knife with masking tape before the sharpening to protect knife surfaces from damage. During the sharpening process, make sure that you remove the sludge from both sides of the knife before proceeding to work with the next abrasive stone. Sludge contains the removed metal and carbides that were extracted from the stone you used. If you didn't do that, it will have two main consequences. The next stone might be infected, and the sludge will be involved in the sharpening process, leaving scratches on your blade. Best solution for all kinds of sludge will be a soft paper. 1 sheet per stone. It's obligatory. We never use the same paper more than once because of the same risk to infect the next stone. A few words about cleaning stones after the sharpening. For stones with galvanic coating, we recommend dry cleaning, for example with a piece of soft paper. You can clean them under running water with brush and soap solution. But to prevent rust, they should be wiped dry. As for the brush, it should be washed from any residue material after each stone, or you will just pass the sludge from one stone to another. As for the stones that work with water, we can submerge them into the water and rinse them until they are clean. As an example, bakelite stone are recommended to be cleaned with brush in soap solution. For stones that work with oil, we recommend to use the same oil for cleaning. It helps to raise the sludge from the stone, and a single wipe with a disposable napkin will make them clean again. Well, I hope this video was useful for you. And a couple of words about methods of cleaning the stones. Some of you will say that it's better to use some soap solutions, some of you might use technical alcohol. Here I will just remind that those methods will not fit to all kinds of stone. For some, definitely, for others, well, they may damage it. Anyway, I'm glad you are with us. I hope to see you in our next videos. Don't forget to press like, subscribe. If you have opinion that differs from others, please share it in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.